Dear students, today we will learn about some types of numbers and prime factorization. Let us come to know first some types of numbers. First, even numbers. What are even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Such numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These are all divisible by 2. So these are even numbers. Even some numbers, suppose large number 342. We know that if the one place digit is an even digit that is divisible by 2, then the number is an divisible by 2. So this is an also even number. So we can easily find out which one is an even number. Next, coming to odd numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Such type of some numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 13, also 349, suppose 725. This type of numbers are odd numbers because they are not divisible by 2. So the numbers which are divisible by 2 are even, and if it is not divisible by 2, then it is odd. Now, prime numbers. What is a prime number, or what are prime numbers? The numbers which are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. The only factors are 1 and the number itself. They are called prime numbers. For example, 2. 2 is only divisible by 1 and 2, 1 and that number 2. 3, it is also a prime because 3 is only divisible by 1 and the number itself, that is 3. 5, 7, 11 and so on. These are all prime numbers because they have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. No other number can divide this number. So these are prime numbers. Now, composite number. A number which has 3 or more than 3 factors is called composite numbers. Suppose I am taking 4. Then how many factors of 4 have? Factors means the number which can divide 4. 1 can divide 4, 2 can divide 4 and 4 can divide 4. So we get 3 factors of 4. Suppose I am taking 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Each of the number can divide 6. So these are all composite numbers because they have more than 3 or exactly 3 factors. 1, that number, and any other number which can divide the number. So these are composite numbers. Now, coming to the next part, prime factorization. What is the meaning of prime factorization? Prime factorization means to express a number as a product of prime factors. Suppose the number is 10. Now we can express 10 as a product of two prime numbers 2 and 5, 2 into 5. So this is the prime factorization of 10. Suppose I am taking 15. Then 15 equal to 3 into 5. So this is the prime factorization of the number, to express the number as the product of two or more than two prime factors. Now there is certain method to find the prime factorization, to do the prime factorization. First one is prime factorization by tree method. Prime factorization by tree method. Suppose the number is 60. I am going to prime factorize this 60. Make a circle it. 60 is a composite number, that is why we have make a circle inside 60. Now tell a number, think a number prime which can divide 60. Here is 0, so 2 can divide 60. And what will be the result? If we divide 60 by 2, we get 30. 2 is a prime number, so make it a box. And 30 is composite, so make it a circle. Again 30 is composite, so it has another factors. Again choose a number prime which can divide 30. 2 again can divide 30, it is prime, make a box. And if we divide 30 by 2, we get 15. This is a composite number, make a circle. Now again 15 is divisible by 3 and the result become 5. Each of 3 and 5 are prime, so make box. So we have make boxes of each prime factors. Now 60 equal to, we will write product of all these numbers inside the boxes. They are all prime. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So this becomes the prime factorization of 60. Similar way, let us take another number. Suppose I am taking 45. Okay, 45 is a composite number because it is divisible by 5, 3. So make a circle it. Now take a prime number which can divide 45. 3 can divide 45, and if we divide 45 by 3, we get 15. 15 is composite again, so make a circle. 3 is prime, make a box. 15 is divisible by 3 again, and the result become 5. Each of 3 and 5 are prime, so make box. Now we can write 45 equal to product of all the numbers inside the boxes, 3 into 3 into 5. So this is the prime factorization of 45. So in this way we can factorize any number and express as a product of prime numbers. Now coming to second method, prime factorization by division method. In this method, suppose I am taking a number 72, I have to prime factorize it. So do this type inside 72. Take a prime number which can divide 72, 2. 2 36 ja 72. We will write the result after dividing by 2, the quotient 36 here. Then again choose a number prime which can divide 36. 2 can divide 36. 2 18 ja 36. Again 18 is divisible by 2. 2 9 ja 18. Again 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9. See, last number is 3 and is prime, so we will stop here. Now we can express 72 as product of all these numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this complete the prime factorization of 72, and this method is division method. Let us take another example. Suppose we have to factorize the number 1800. So choose a number which can divide 1800. As there is 0 at the one place, it is divisible by 2. 2 9 ja 18, 0 0. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 45 90 and 0. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 2 25 50, 225. Now see, 225, one place digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. If we divide it by 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 45. Again 5 can divide it, 45. 5 9 ja 45. 9 is divisible by 3. 3 3 ja 9, and 3 is a prime number, so we will stop here. So we get 1800 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2 2 3 2 2 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, and 2 3s, 3 into 3. So this completes the prime factorization of 1800 by division method. So this is the process to find the factorization, to express a number as a product of prime factors by tree method and by division method. Hope you have understood well, and you can factorize any other numbers in this way. So this completes today's topic. We will discuss another topic on next class. Thank you and goodbye.